Priyan Sharma, and we are the designers of this robot.
Hello, I am Nitya Sharma and I programmed and wired the
My name is Divyan Sharma and I am Pranav Banam and we assisted in making the robot.
Now we will tell you that why we took part in this competition.
I took part in this competition because I really like technical stuff and also I have a huge interest in technology and AI robotics.
I participated in this competition because I wanted to gain skills and experience.
I participated in this competition because I have a great interest in working of cars, that how they work.
I participated in this competition to learn something new about making the robot.
I participated because I really like to do technical stuff and I'd love to gain some experience.
We have used Arduino Uno as our microcontroller because it is quite easy to deal with, and also we have used 5 IR sensors instead of 2 for efficient working.
We have also used L298N motor driver, which is connected to 2 DC motors. We have also used lithium-ion batteries because they are easily rechargeable.